Hey, good morning. It's day 3 of our drain tile installation, and today we're going to focus on downspout to drain and sump pump discharge to drain. Loosen your clamps, put this no hub on, and push it on there. Make sure you got a clean connection. Push it on there so it's just about to the lip where it comes into 1.5 inches. Just hold your T onto the PVC pipe for about 30 seconds. You can take a peek in there and see that the PVC pipe is up against the lip of the fitting. Very important to put in a threaded insert, and then you can just stick your clean out cap on there and get it just beyond hand tight. Make area for adjustment. And there's an adjustment right here on the downspout to drain tile adapter. Got this all hooked up. You want to be sure that there's fall away from the house. That's full bubble. That's perfect. To achieve good fall from this corner on underneath the fence. There's about quarter bubble. So we've got the entire length of the main line installed here. It's all got nice bubble flow, downhill flow, using a level. I've got every piece of pipe has at least a little bit of a bubble downhill for flow. So I'm going to call it an evening here. Get back out for day 3.